Hello everyone, and today I'm doing another challenge video. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do the 10-minute trick challenge. So basically what it says in the title of the video that you just clicked on, I'm doing a 10-minute video or a 10-minute trick challenge. So I have to make a trick in 10 minutes, and then at the end of it I will show you the trick. So I have 10 minutes to create a trick. It can be like a combo, but for it I'm going to be using the YoYo Factory Edge with snake bite string. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it that well, but this yo-yo doesn't snag very well, so that's why I'm using it. My other ones are nice, but this one is probably the nicest one. Anyways, I'm going to put a timer clock down in the corner down there. So, and I'll also have my phone over there with a timer. Okay, so I have my timer right here, and I'm going to start it now, and I'll also have a clock down there, so you can see that there. And then, okay, so I have to basically just start it from a mount, so I'm going to choose the trapeze mount, and I'm just going to be yelling out some of the tricks that I'm going to be doing from here, just to help me focus. So I'm going to start. Okay, trapeze, do not. Okay, trapeze 1.5, go under, roll over. Do it. Ooh, that's cool. I like that. Do a suicide. That's a weird knot thing though. Ah.
12 seconds later.
Okay. I am great at you. Okay. Trapeze 1.5, go under, roll over. Ah. Trapeze, go over, under. One and a half. Ah. Trapeze 1.5, under mount, under, catch, that doesn't really work. Trapeze, over, under. Wait, what if I go all the way under? This is not good. I have 7 minutes left. Trapeze, over, all the way under. Trapeze, over, all the way under. I don't know what I can do from there. Trapeze, trapeze. Let's just go under, and then under past there. And so there, under, not that way, trapeze over it, curl in. I have to do the suicide thing. Okay, 6 minutes left. Trapeze, over, trapeze, boy. Under mount, go under. Ooh, that's different. I'm struggling here. Okay. 1.5, under, trapeze. Go there, take that, go there, double. Okay, so does that work? Go over, under, over. Oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't flow. I need something that flows. So I'm gonna just scrap that idea. Trapeze. Oh. Maybe triple or nothing. And land it one string ahead. This is not working. I'm struggling so hard. Maybe the first part of branding. Ooh, that might be cool. Trapeze over first part of branding. Pinch, catch the slack. Ripcord? Oh, that doesn't work. Trapeze, trapeze, 1.5. First part of branding, suicide catch. Reverse, no, that doesn't work. Trapeze, first part of branding. Oh boy, rip. Trapeze, over branding. There we go, and drop into a kamikaze. Oh, that's cool, that works. Okay, so first part of branding, over, suicide catch, drop, pick up, go over, into a double or nothing. And then, okay, cool, I have 4 minutes left. So trapeze, over, first part of branding, suicide, drop, there, it's a weird kamikaze, go over, what can I do from a double or nothing? I can roll over and do a trapdoor, and that, ooh, that's cool, that'll get me into a regular trapeze, but I need to do something better than that. Ooh, that's cool, that's really cool. Okay, so double or nothing. Then you land on that string. Drop the middle. Undercut. Drop. Go around. Into a weird green triangle thingy. Wow, that was almost bad. Okay, so it's actually coming together. Oh no, it's not anymore. I have a knot. This is not good. This is gonna take up time. I have about... Okay, cool. I don't have that much time left. I have like 2.5 minutes left. Okay, just wind up. It's okay. String tension is about neutral. Okay, so let's just try it. Over, first branding, pinch, suicide catch, drop, over, drop, back over. Okay, 2 minutes left about. Oh, that's actually branding. Drop, catch, over, drop, over. Drop middle, undercut with a thumb. Undercut with thumb, drop, go over. Okay. I have about a minute and a half left. I need to have a snazzy bind that goes with this. Drop middle, undercut, drop, over, drop. Oh, it doesn't bind. Okay. Oh. Okay, I have like a minute left. Trapeze, double or nothing. Get into here. Drop middle, undercut. Drop, pointer, drop thumb. Get a major knot. Pop to the front. That's kind of cool, okay. Oh, I have like 20 seconds left. Drop. Undercut. drop, go over, drop. Okay, my time's up. So now I'm going to showcase the trick I just made. That was the trick, and this is the 10-minute trick challenge, and you can do this if you want. It's really fun. You should try it. It actually can help you make up some tricks for contests and stuff like that. So I definitely suggest just doing this trick for fun, not like recording yourself like I am right now. But that's the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.